And, of course, the man of the hour, Alderman Matt O'Shea. Matt, you're dressed like you forgot we were doing this tonight. Holy shit. The rest of us give a shit. This is just the arrogance of, it's the theme of the night, right? I mean, we're like a couple weeks from an election, he's throwing a roast for himself. That's some confidence right there. Hey, before you vote for me, let's point out all my flaws. And then everyone will still vote for me. I mean, what are we even doing here, right? I mean, you're gonna win. No one wants your job. Like, our neighborhood hates change. We hate it. We don't do it. You're the alderman. Just do it for as long as you want. But we're good. No one's really even running against you. Have you seen the guy he's running against? Let's show him the opponent. Is he up here? This is kind of AV, help you get at a Catholic school. You gotta have a fundraiser to beat this guy. It should take $80 to beat that guy. Tickets for this event should have been 10 cents. I mean, really, who's gonna support? You think anyone from Mount Greenwood's gonna support some clown who dresses himself up in the flag? I mean, maybe if he was running for president. You like that one, Rob? I don't know. I love that Ram is here. I mean, this guy, yeah. You can tell he just doesn't give a shit anymore. He's on his way out. He's coming to bullshit events like this. He's got a podcast. He had me on. It's like, you should run, dude. You've never been more likable. You're peaking on the way out. No, we're thrilled to have you. And we had to find a big place to house all the people. There was a big demand here, and we were looking around we didn't know where we were gonna have it. We were looking about a bunch of other schools, but Ram closed all of them, so. No? You okay with that one? That's it. I'm still kind of scared of you. He has like real power. He can get like presidents on the phone. The rest of you people just know like Burke and Munoz. I love that Ed Burke had 23 guns in his house. I mean, like after every time he committed a crime, he was like, I better get strapped. I'm gonna buy another gun. In that video, we were trying to capture what an alderman does, because really, who knows, right? I mean, these people, I don't know what you guys do. I'm not that big up on civics, but I think it's like, goes like line leader, RA, alderman. I think state rep is in there somewhere too. State rep is in there. Oh! No, I mean, I don't know if did you always want to be alderman? Was that like your thing growing up? That must have been fun hanging with you. Like, let's build a fort. Like, we need a permit. You can't park your bike there. It's not registered. mean, what do? You guys are like kindergarten teachers for adults, you know? Just handing out stickers, listening to people bitch. Except you don't make a difference. And your pension's not under attack. All right, anyway, Matt was recently named, this is a big deal. This was your choice, right? You named him chairman of the aviation committee, which is, yeah, you look like you can handle that. You put him in charge of O'Hare, look at him, Midway. That says Midway, right there, Midway. Southwest, Group C. For Carmel. I want to be in Group C for Carmel. Like, what the hell are you going to do with O'Hare? Like, put a Brewbaker's in Terminal 2? I think we're going to put a Keen at the rental car center. People just, you don't have to get out. You don't even have to get out. How did you put it? This is like the largest transportation hub in North America. He takes Western to find downtown. You know that, right? I just go till the numbers get small. And I take a right on Madison. You gotta be pissed at Rom's leaving, huh? Puppet losing his master. What's up now, Pinocchio? Okay, all right. I think we're good. It's kind of a waste of time to even be here, right? I mean, we got Graham Elliott here. We should have him like teaching us all how to make a casserole. Graham, thanks for being here, man. Appreciate it. Graham is famous, like real famous. Otherwise, we'd kick his ass for dressing like that. Right? Oh, sorry, Matt, are we distracting you? You all right? What's wrong? You good? What do you need?
I need some water.
You need some water? There's a bottle right next to you, Matt. You're lost without Marty Joyce, huh? Where's my... I can't find anything. No, we're glad that Graham Elliott is here. It's kind of weird that you're here. What was the last thing you roasted? Peking duck? Thanks for dropping the bottle right when the joke sucked. Like, that one sucked. Throwing my Miller Lite down for that one. All right, well, that's enough for me. I think we're going to keep this thing going. We got to open it up to the other roasters who are so generous to prepare for this. We're really excited, and I'm going to bring your next roaster up right now.